Boosting Instagram post rankings in 2024? Let's dive right in. Instagram's algorithm is constantly evolving, and in 2024, there are some new changes you need to know. But here's the thing, folks, high-quality, engaging content is still king. So make sure your posts are top-notch, captivating, and valuable to your audience. Oh, and don't forget about hashtags and keywords. They play a crucial role in getting your content discovered. Use relevant and trending ones to increase your reach. Now, let's talk engagement. Want more likes, comments, and shares? Interact with your followers, reply to comments, and create content that sparks conversations. Be consistent, my friends. Regularly posting content keeps your audience engaged and helps you build a loyal following. And don't sleep on Instagram analytics. They're your secret weapon to understanding your audience's preferences and optimizing your content strategy. So to sum it up, focus on quality, use hashtags wisely, engage with your audience, be consistent, and leverage analytics. Now go out there and boost those Instagram post rankings. Apply these strategies and success will be just a double tap away.